Hey babe, welcome to my channel. It's me, the one and only Shika G. This hair in this video is from Missy Hair Boutique. I'm wearing their deep wave texture. So I have two 22 inches and one 20 inch and the 16 inch frontal. I bleached the hair, toned it, and dyed it. This is not the color that I was really going for, but I freaking love it. It's just giving me like a golden vibe. It's so cute. I'm going to be showing you guys how I style and define this hair and all the products that I use. I always make sure that I detangle this hair completely brushing out all the curls. This hair is so dirty, you guys. There's so much gel in it, but I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna straighten it. So I'm gonna also come back and show y'all how this hair looks when it's straightened. But yeah, I always want to make sure that I completely detangle my hair before I put products in it. Ooh, honey, do you see that crusty lace? Gosh, you guys, I'm so happy with the way the color came out. Like, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I wish my hair looked like this, like my natural hair. Look how pretty this hair is. So it is pretty dry because, you know, like there's no moisture in there, it's just dry. But the ends, you guys, the ends frizz up so much. I'm also going to show y'all how much this hair sheds. It's not that much. Keep in mind this is a curly texture and the hair is dry and I'm combing it while it's dry. So when you see the shedding, oh my god, look at the ends, look at the ends. Ugh, they need a trim. Oh, cute! This color is just giving me like strawberry blonde vibes. So this is the amount of shedding that I got from just combing the hair out. That little session. That's not a lot of shedding, to me at least. And I noticed like there's a lot of breakage with the hair as well, but you know, the hair is dry, so it's gonna break. So this mixture that I'm using is just warm water and a conditioner. I'm going to show y'all the conditioner that I use, y'all. This conditioner that I use is so bomb for natural hair. I love it. Well, not natural hair. What am I talking about? It's bomb for my weave. So I spray the mixture down and I make sure that I comb the product through my hair. I want to make sure that every single strand on this wig is getting touched, loved, and moisturized. So I'm just going to repeat the same process for the entire section, like the lower half, and for basically all the sections. Just spray it with the conditioner and water mixture, comb through, and yeah, that's the first step. Okay, and then I'm just going through with another mist of this mixture, and then I'm going to be putting my favorite gel, you guys. This is the Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch Gel. I absolutely love this product for like deep wave textures because it gives it a good hold, but it's not like that crunchy and stiff hold, you know? Like my hair still has movement, still has flexibility, but it's still, you know, structured. I like that look. So this is the conditioner that I was talking about. This is the Pantene Repair and Protect conditioner. This product, you guys, when you put this conditioner in your hair, when you let it sit in your hair and you rinse it out, you guys, your hair is going to be feeling like butter, like crunchy crock butter. I can't believe it's not butter, whatever the hell that shit is called. I'm talking about that crunchy crock butter. So soft, so silky, so smooth, and it smells good. Boo, I put this all on my weaves, and it just gives your weave that life that it needs. But I don't recommend you use the conditioner on natural hair because it just doesn't work the same. But yeah, making sure that this mixture touches every strand, you guys. Like I'm going through the hair, spacing it out, making sure that everything is like damp. Also making sure that I comb the product through my hair. I cannot repeat that enough. Comb the product through your hair. Okay, now we're to the top. Here I am trying to find my part. Make sure you find your part before you style. Or I mean, you can do it after too, but I don't know, that's just my preference. Y'all, I don't know if y'all are comprehending how much this color is just... So because of how much I processed the frontal is a little bit more fried than the bundles. The frontal definitely lost a lot of curls, but it's still cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm having like a full-blown conversation with my mom. Like, I really love talking to my mom. Like, she for real like my best friend. We be cracking jokes 24/7, just on the phone talking about shit. That's my baby for life. Notice that I'm not putting too much of this gel in my hair. I literally use a dime size, and like a little bit of the product goes a long way. For real, for real. Comb that product through your hair. Do you hear me? Comb that product through your hair. Do you hear me? Oh. Don't do drugs, kids. Look at that. Fillet. Ooh, so because I don't have a hot comb right now, I usually just use a fine tooth comb like this one, like that Ratchet comb, and I just comb the hair at the top all the way down, and it gets it flat enough for me. Watch this. Fillet. If I did have a hot comb, that little hump right there would not be there. But I mean, it's not like too bad. It can work. But you see what I mean? Like, there's no curl up here at all. But it's okay. I like it like that. And that's that. Yes! So final touches, I'm gonna be applying some mousse. Why did I say applying like that? I'm gonna be applying some mousse to my hair. This is the Aussie Mousse. I have all the products listed in the description down below, so you know, just in case I forgot to mention a product, you can go see it for yourself. So I just take the mousse just like the gel, I put it through my hair, and I make sure I scrunch it up so I can get some curls going. Look at this hair, you guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh jeez.
You know this is Insomnia.
And then finally, I'm using some argan oil just for some shine and to lock in all that moisture. I would add baby hairs to this, but first, I don't know how to do baby hairs to save my life, and second, I don't think it needs baby hair. I feel like it looks good. The lace doesn't look too crazy, right? So yeah, we went from this Diana Ross looking hair, yes, give them looks, give them face, to this final look. We are defined, we are styled, we are giving you a life and body. Thank y'all so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next.